Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Guys, we are actually going to talk about what is currently happening in the price of Bitcoin. And of course, you guys see the topic of the video. I'm going to actually sell my Bitcoin to actually get Ethereum. Now I'm going to actually show you why, and I'm going to actually show you the reason why I'm actually doing this, because I want to actually do this as an early stage, right? Because in the next 4 months, I'm telling you, in the next 4 months, Ethereum is likely going to do 100% in the next 4 months, right? So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to actually turn on your notification bell, right? Don't forget to follow me on Facebook if you actually follow me. If you're actually watching from Facebook, right? So right now, guys, we are actually going to talk about what is currently happening right now. For the immediate short term, let me actually tell you what I think is likely going to happen, the area we need to actually pay attention, what are the places we need to actually pay attention right now. So guys, in my recent video, I have been making videos, right? I have been making videos warning you about the RSI, right? Where we actually flipped bullish, right? I was actually warning you about the RSI, that likely, guys, this is the low, right? That you should actually get ready for a huge move that is actually going to come, and we actually pump to the upside, hitting about $49,000. And where did I actually start warning you on this? I warned you when we were having a massive crash, about 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, right? uh, During December, right? I was actually telling you, yes, that is the right time to actually buy, because then Bitcoin was actually trading at $49,000, right? So what is likely to actually come? I'm going to actually point out something you need to actually pay attention. Guys, right now the RSI is low, right? Which is very, very good. But I'm going to actually show you another scenario that you need to actually pay attention to, right? And I will be telling you the reason why I'm buying Bitcoin. Now, if you can actually see, we're actually going to talk, if this is the top for Bitcoin to actually dump a little, then consolidate to actually have a huge move, right? Now, if we look at the past, Bitcoin also did this, right? We also Bitcoin has also did this, right? We actually crash down, trend a little, then before actually having a massive down move. If this down move correction don't happen, then Bitcoin is not actually going to pump. If the pump continue pumping, then when Bitcoin will actually retrace down, it's going to be massive, very, 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 very massive. So we need that. So we need this correction for Bitcoin to actually go down small, right? It is very, very important, right? Likely, guys, it is actually going to be important. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin actually go down. Now I'm going to actually tell you the reason why for this, right? Now the RSI is currently at the low point, which is also very, very good as a sign of bullishness, that we actually continue, right? You can actually see the recent high here as a sign of bullishness that is actually going to continue. Very, very fine. But one thing I'm going to actually pay attention here is right now, guys, we are crossing. You can actually see that the pink line and the yellow line is crossing, golden cross. This is the thing we need to actually pay attention. This golden cross pattern, this is what I'm paying attention to, and this is what we need to also pay attention. This may actually indicate that yes, we need to actually get prepared whether it's actually going to dump, because the reason why is because ever since we start having the Bitcoin ETF approval, you can actually see this was the fake news that actually pumped Bitcoin recently about the Bitcoin ETF approval. It was fake and it actually dropped down again. The next following days, it actually rise, right? And if you actually check, guys, during this pump, you can actually see that the pink line and the yellow line have not met. right? You can actually see the pink line is currently trending on its own, and the yellow line is also trending on its own. So right now, guys, the pink line and the yellow line has currently met. What does this mean? We need to actually put our mind on the possibility of what is going to happen in the crypto market. Yes, the RSI is looking good at a point of buying. If we are to actually bounce from here, it will actually be a good opportunity that highly, guys, we are actually going to create another high here because of this empty stick that is left here. So this is what we need to actually pay attention to. This is signaling a bearish pattern, which is likely we are actually going to crash. Why the RSI is signaling that it is currently over what? It is currently overbought. So what we need to actually pay attention in the RSI that we are actually going to flip. We need to actually pay attention to the RSI is a sign of bullishness because it's currently at a down level, right? At a down level. You can actually see it's currently at a down level. So if we actually break up, that means it's actually following the RSI. But guys, what if we actually break down? That means this pattern that is here has actually confirmed a bearish setup, right? You can actually see this cross. This is something we need to actually pay attention to. If in any way we actually break above this red above this pink line and the yellow line, that will be a very good opportunity. Of course, I and my team on Telegram are longing Bitcoin. We open a long position all the way from 42,400 plus. We are actually longing Bitcoin to managing our risk using low leverage. And if you want to actually be part of our community, then do it to actually use the link in the description of this video. And also, guys, if you want to actually buy crypto, know the best coin to actually buy, know when to actually buy it, know when to actually sell to actually make profit in the market. Then I'm recommending you to Crypto Hunters Academic. Down in the description of this video, join our WhatsApp group. We are one of the best small community that is making it in the crypto market. And guys, what is the today's topic for this video? Why I'm selling my Bitcoin to get Ethereum is because this is when the Bitcoin ETF approval started. Bitcoin ETF rumor started, right? Immediately this started, you can actually see Bitcoin actually pumped all the way from 27,000 to 48,000. And guys, what is early right now is Ethereum ETF. Ethereum ETF. Okay, is Ethereum ETF. So we need to actually pay attention, right? Now, if you look to tell you that yes, this Ethereum ETF is not actually it is not it is, you can actually see that okay, guys, you can actually see that right now we have actually break the support. This is the weekly time frame, right? We have actually break the support, which we actually have a bear season, right? And we actually pump dump and we are actually breaking this. This is a good sign, ladies and gentlemen. This is a good sign, and this is where the rumor of Ethereum ETF is about to start. So it is time for you to get in early. It is time for you to get in early. I'll be opening a long position for Ethereum, managing my risk. I'll be using about 2x leverage to 3x leverage on that trading. So guys, it is good to actually manage your risk. The Ethereum ETF is start coming in, and when this Ethereum ETF start coming in, it's going to be get hype just like what Bitcoin just get before Bitcoin actually have a rally move to the upside. So right now, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if the Ethereum ETF come, we are actually going to see a rally move to this upside. Pay attention very well. Then actually have a correction, because also if you actually look at this, if you currently look at this previous stage, we have a resistance level there. So we need to actually pay attention for a huge massive pump before the bull market start in the next 4 months, guys. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. The revolution of Ethereum is about to start. This is what I told you when Solana was at 36. Now Solana is $100,000. Don't waste time. Don't play on this.